When your Foxtel remote stops working, there are two main culprits that cause most problems. Battery issues account for 45% of all remote malfunctions, while pairing problems cause another 35% of cases. The first step is always to check your batteries. Remove the back cover of your remote and inspect the battery compartment for any signs of corrosion or damage. Always use high-quality AA alkaline batteries. Replace both batteries at the same time, even if only one appears dead. This ensures balanced power delivery and prevents future issues. Clean the battery terminals with a dry cloth to ensure good electrical contact. Look for any white or green corrosion that might prevent proper connection. If replacing batteries doesn't solve the problem, the next step is to repair your remote with the Foxtel box. The process depends on which type of remote you have. For modern Bluetooth remotes used with IQ4 and IQ5 boxes, hold down the home button and back button simultaneously for 5 seconds. Watch for the LED light to flash, indicating the remote is in pairing mode. For older infrared remotes used with IQ2 and IQ3 systems, point the remote directly at the Foxtel box and hold the Foxtel button and select button together until the box responds. After repairing, test your remote by checking basic functions like volume control, channel changing, and menu access. This verification ensures the pairing was successful. These two simple steps solve the majority of Foxtel remote problems. Battery replacement fixes 45% of issues, while repairing resolves 80% of connectivity problems. Most customers can complete these fixes in under 15 minutes. When basic repairing doesn't solve your Foxtel remote issues, we need to check the set-top box itself and explore advanced troubleshooting techniques. First, verify your Foxtel set-top box is powered on and responsive. Look for LED indicators on the front panel and ensure the box responds to button presses. Next, check that all HDMI connections are secure. Loose connections can prevent the remote from communicating properly with your TV through the box. Ensure your box software is up to date. Outdated firmware can cause remote compatibility issues. Check for updates in the settings menu. If the box seems unresponsive, perform a hard reset by holding the power button for 10 seconds. This forces the box to restart and can resolve communication issues. Here's a simple but effective trick: the 30-second reset. Remove both batteries from your remote for exactly 30 seconds. This resolves 60% of minor glitches by clearing the remote's memory. Environmental factors can interfere with remote signals. Other wireless devices, metal objects, or electromagnetic interference can disrupt communication between your remote and the box. If problems persist after these steps, the issue may be firmware-related. In March 2025, a faulty firmware update caused widespread remote problems for 50,000 customers, requiring rollbacks and replacements. Contact Foxtel support if advanced troubleshooting doesn't resolve your issue.